This video is going to highlight a new feature, VDA Restore, a feature that's designed to help an admin revert back to a previous VDA instance in the event of a failed upgrade. This is available for Win 10 single session VDAs with a general availability with CVAD 2106. We're going to look at two scenarios, first when an upgrade fails and second when an upgrade passes. So let's start out with a Win 10 VM running CVAD 2009 VDA. We use the restore point feature of Win 10, but this feature does not need to be enabled. The software will manage that. So I'll perform the upgrade using the command line with the enable restore switch. And I didn't add the quiet switch so you can see the upgrade take place. You'll notice that the Enable Automatic Restore if Update Fails box is checked. That's because we already enabled it via the command line. Once the update fails, you have two options. You can either view the error log or restore. Once the system restores, after reboot, you'll receive a message that states the restore was successful. The VDA is back to 2009, and the restore point feature remains enabled. And two logs have been written, the XenDesktop installation log and the CTX backup log. The installation log will show you your command line settings as well as your failure, while the CTX backup log will show you the process of enabling the restore feature. You'll notice the enable restore cleanup false line. More on that will come later. Okay, so let's look at a scenario where the upgrade passes. Back at our Win 10 VM running CVAD 2009, we will run the same upgrade process via the command line. Okay, so the upgrade passed and we're at CVAD 2106 with the system restore feature still enabled. The restore point is now the recommended restore, and the installation log shows that enable restore cleanup false line. In the initial design, we thought we would delete the restore point right away after the successful upgrade, but based on customer feedback, we decided not to do that because the upgrade may have succeeded, but the VDA itself may have an issue. So the admin may decide to restore to a previous version. So we're giving the administrator the option to delete the restore point by setting that switch to true. So there you have it, another new feature that gives admins greater control of their Citrix environment.